Alright, today I'm taking a look at first alert fire extinguishers. I got 3 of them so I can check and make sure that they, if you buy 3, they will all be properly filled. Alright, first one. Tank is properly filled. If anything, overfilled just a tiny amount, but still in the green. And what's cool about these is they do actually have these wall mounts, so you can screw this into the wall, snap this on, and you don't have to worry about trying to find a place for it. It'll be right there, easily visible. Alright, number 2. Also in the green. And last one, just about dead center. So 3 out of 3, they're all good. No issues here. In the event of emergency, you just pull the pin out. And it says here, stand back 6 feet, and that's very real. It actually makes a big difference on how effective this is at putting out a fire. If you actually try to stand right over a fire and spray it down, it's not going to be as good as if you stand back. So when they say stand back 6 feet, that's actually effectiveness for putting out a fire. So that's it. Stand back 6 feet, aim at the base of the fire, depress, squeeze lever, and sweep side to side. Yeah, so cool stuff. So I'm going to be mounting all 3 of these, and they'll be easy to get to. Nothing like a little security. And I didn't notice until I started breaking the box down, but they've actually got these straps, just like this. And that can hook on, there's a little hole right here, so that snaps in. Just kind of snap it together like that. Right? So that's a little bit more security. And if you ever need to pull it off, you just grab right here, and it snaps off, so you can get to it. There we go.